Good morning, students. Today I will teach you chapter number 6, division part 2. In this module, students, we will do word problem of activity 1 of chapter 6. Clear? So let's start. First word problem is the cost of 8 bags is rupees 1648. You have to find the cost of 1 bag. Student, we get the statement from the question only. See, first line will be this one. Cost of 8 bags is means is equals to rupees 1648. Clear? And the second line is cost of 1 bag is equals to. Whenever we find the cost of 1 bag, we always do divide. Clear? Because many when given and one we are finding, in that case we always do divide. Now see how we do this word problem. See, first line, as I said you, the cost of 8 bags is equals to rupees 1648. Cost of 1 bag is equals to rupees 1648 divided by 8. And when I divide it by 8, you have to do one thing. You have to make a rough work in the side in the division questions. Clear? So now I will start division. 8. Now see, I have written 8 outside and 1648 inside. Now I will start division, and when I start division I have to make a rough column and there I will write the table of 8. Clear? Now with the help of that table you will do this division. 8 2s are 16. So I have written 16 down of the 16 and then I do minus. When I minus it, I get 0. See. Clear? Now in 8 table, 4 does not come. I have taken 4 from up. So 4 is smaller than 8. So what I do, I will take another 8 from up and write together 48. Clear? Student, when you take two numbers together, in that case firstly you have to put the 0 and then you have to write the position where that number is coming. Like 8 6 are 48. I have written here 48 and 6 I have written here. I have not written 26. I have written 206 because I have taken two numbers together. Clear? Then 48 minus 48 is 0. Then you have to write the hence line. Hence line is the last line. Cost of 1 bag is rupees 206. Remember one thing, you have to put the rupees sign, otherwise marks will be deducted. Clear? Now student, statement we get from the first line. An auditorium has a seating capacity of 324 people. Means we are talking about people. So we write capacity of people in an auditorium. Capacity of people in an auditorium is equals to 324. Then we will see another number. It is in this line. Clear? So we write number of seats in each row. You can write one row also, each row also, because each means 1. Clear? Is equals to 9. Now the third line will be number of rows in the auditorium is equals to 324 divided by 9. Now we divide 324 by 9, and when we divide it, we will see which number is closer to 32 and less than 32. That is 27. So 3 will come in a quotient and 27 will come down of 32. And now we will minus it. 32 minus 27 is 5. Clear? And then we write a 4 down. So it becomes 54. Now we see in 9 table 54 come in which position? It comes on 6th position. So I will write 6 here and 54 down of 54. And then I do minus. 54 minus 54 is 0. Then I write the hence line. Hence line is the last line. Number of rows in an auditorium is. Now student, we do question number 3. Ragini bought 576 meter clothes to make a dresses for the school function. How many dresses will be made if each dress need 4 meter of cloth? Now student, from the statement I will take a statement for the answer. See, Ragini bought 576 meter cloth. Mean cloth Ragini bought, clear, is equal to 576 meter. Then we will see the next number. It is in this line. So cloth needed for one dress, that will be equals to 4 meter. Then how many means number of dresses will be made is equals to 576 divided by. Now see, I have written cloth Ragini bought is equals to 576 meter. Cloth one dress need is equals to 4 meter. Then number of dresses will be made is equals to 576 divided by 4. Now I have made the rough column over here. Clear? Now with the help of this rough column I will solve the division. Clear? So 4 I have written outside. Now in 4 table 4 come at first position. See, 1 I have written here, 4 down of 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. 7 I have taken from up. 7 I have written down. In 4 table, see the number which come closer to 17 and less than 17 only. That way is 16. So 16 comes on 4. So I have written 4 here and 16 down of 17. 17 minus 16 is 1. So 1 I have written, 6 I have taken from up. Now in 4 table, 16 come at 4 position. So 4 I have written here. 16 minus 16 is 0. Then the hence line. Hence number of dresses will be made is equals to 144. Clear?